In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva account. If you're cleaning up old online accounts, moving away from Canva, or just trying to better manage your digital footprint, this process is actually pretty straightforward once you know where to look. The important thing is to do it carefully because deleting your account can also remove access to your saved designs, team connections, and billing settings. So before you confirm anything, it's worth taking a few minutes to review everything properly. Start by opening Canva and going to your main homepage. In the top right corner, click on your profile avatar to open the account menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you into your main account settings area, which is where you'll manage the rest of the process. Before going any further, make sure you back up any designs you want to keep. This is one of the most important parts of the whole process. Once an account is deleted, your presentations, logos, templates, and other design files may no longer be recoverable. To save your work, open your project folders, choose the files that matter most, click Share, and then select Download. Export them in a format that makes sense for your needs, such as PDF or PNG, so you have local copies stored safely on your computer. Once your files are backed up, return to the account settings page. On the left-hand side, look for either the login and security section or the privacy section, depending on the version of Canva you're seeing. Click into that area so you can review the account controls related to security, access, and personal data. Next, take a moment to check whether your account is still connected to any active team workspaces or paid subscriptions. This step helps avoid billing surprises or issues with shared workspaces after deletion. Look through the billing section or the teams area and cancel any active subscription if needed. If you're part of a shared workspace, leave that team first so your account can be separated cleanly. After that, you're ready for the final step. On the login and security page, scroll all the way down until you find the Delete Account option. Click it, and Canva will open a confirmation window. You may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password or completing an authentication step. Follow the prompt, select your reason for leaving if required, and then click the final Delete Account button to confirm. At that point, your account will be deactivated and Canva will continue the deletion process according to its system rules. And that's it. Thanks for watching.